Today our topic is development of palate, so before going into development let's get a brief introduction of palate. The palate forms the roof of the mouth and separates the oral cavity from the nasal cavity. Structural role: forms the roof of the oral cavity and floor of the nasal cavity. Separates the oral and nasal passages, allowing simultaneous breathing and eating. Functional role: aids in mastication, chewing, by providing surface for tongue to press food against. Helps in swallowing by guiding food posteriorly. Now the development of palate. The development of palate have been divided into two steps. First is development of primary palate and second is development of secondary palate. We will start with development of primary palate. Development of primary palate occurs in 6th week on interuterine life. We have divided the development in 3 major steps. First step, the nasal processes approach each other. In second step, the process fuse together to form an intermaxillary segment. In third step, the primary palate develops from intermaxillary segment. Important point you should remember is primary palate develops from intermaxillary segment and second one is it occurs in 6th week of interuterine life. Now the development of secondary palate. Secondary palate forms the posterior 2/3 of definitive palate. First, the maxillary prominence expand medially to give rise to palatal shelves. The palatal shelves them fuse with each other in horizontal plane and with nasal septum in vertical plane, forming secondary palate. Let's test your knowledge so far. During which week of gestation does a primary palate forms? A. 4 week. B. 6th week. C. 8th week. D. 10th week. Answer is B. Which of the following structure contribute to formation of secondary palate? A. Palatine shelves. B. Frontonasal process. C. Mandibular process. D. Lateral nasal. Answer is A. Palatine shelves.